Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to watch Instagram Reels in high quality. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, the first thing would be is just to open your Instagram and then we will be needing to go to the settings. So from here, we click on Instagram and we go to the profile and here you will need to click on the three horizontal line. We click on them and basically now we will be needing to search for the settings where we can add or increase the quality of our content. So basically now we need just to search for our content in the media or here. So let's just scroll and here we will find device permission, archiving, data usage, and media quality. And from here you will be able to increase the quality or at least control the quality of your media. So now we need just to click on it. And as you can see here, you can find the upload at highest quality and make sure that this one is on. And this one, make sure that the high resolution media uh, is Wi-Fi only since I had it only on Wi-Fi. So you can either uh, decline or uncheck the data saver, and by default your media will be the highest resolution, or you can have it so you can control your network. So in case you are on cellular networks, you can only have your data saver that will work only on your cellular, and you will have your Wi-Fi that has the highest quality, etc., etc. So you can control your account, or you can control your quality, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.